Okay, so all summer long with the garden updates, I've been bragging about my potatoes, and today is harvest day for the potatoes. Sue and I and Murphy are down here at the garden, and she's cut the tops off of a couple of the plants already, and I've dug up one, and boy am I happy with what I've got. Here, take a look and see what's in the bucket already, just from one plant. So now I'm going to dig up the second one while Sue videotapes us. You got it in view, Sue?
Yes, I do.
All right. So I'm going a few inches behind where the plant was, straight down with the pitchfork, and the ground's pretty tight together. Wow, look at those. Look at those taters. Look, beautiful, nice fingerling potatoes. These are supposed to be very buttery tasting. Oh, this one's pretty big. And starchy tasting, but not high in starch. So they're supposed to be a very tasty and healthy potato. You know, I'll do a segment on how they taste when I cook them. So, look at this big clump of potatoes here. Look at that. So, August 25, 4 months till Christmas, but my Christmas is coming early this year with the potato harvest. Cut.